219th episode, Sanskriti Kolkata, and I'm Lalia. Today's collection will be on a variety of Banarasi saris, handloom saris. So I'll start with a very, very beautiful festive color, borderless Katan silk Banarasi. Nice gold and silver, Sona Rupa Bhuta in an amazing shade of magenta. This is the sari. These are all hand woven pure Katan silk Banarasi saris, and the blouse is along with the palla part. So you see the blouse comes in again small buttas with gold and silver weaving done in it. The pallu is in gold. The body comes in traditional peacock motif in between the floral outline. Clearly the gold and silver is visible, dual tone, heavy quality, pure Katan silk Banarasi borderless. Now I'll show a very sleek border silver zari Katan. Color is navy blue. The selvage grey color border along with the silver zari border. Very pretty, and here is the pallu. Blouse piece with Meena Bhuta. Very beautiful sari. The blouse comes in full weaving, sleek border. It has pink Meena in the tiny silver zari, sleek, very pretty. Even a Tollywood actress, renowned actress, Tollywood actress had also worn one of these similar colors, similar sari in one of her premieres. So very, very good response. So thought of sharing this with my YouTube viewers also. Now another very sleek, this also was a similar one worn by a renowned Bengali singer. She's a very sweet lady, beautiful singer. She had also worn this one of her music launch videos. So all these sleek border silver zari weaves in pure hand woven Katan silk. Very rich color. This is a lovely shade of cobalt blue. Stunning piece. Now I'll move on to Katan, but comparatively broader border. The color is a very dark shade of navy. Again comes with silver and gold zari. You can see the fall of the saris. They are all very comfortable handloom saris. Bhuta again, gold and silver zari bhuta. This is the sari. The border has silver zari bhuta along with the gold border. Every sari comes with a matching blouse piece, and the blouse piece will have the border. So these are our new collection of handloom Banarasi saris. Here comes the black color of the same design. Black, gold along with silver. Sanskriti Kolkata is a 30-year-old fashion house, and we have 2 branches in Kolkata. Both are in Baliganj area nearby, so you can visit both the branches when you're coming in south of Kolkata. Our address: 2C Confil Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Baliganj railway station. Car park is available in front of the store, and it's very convenient location. Wow, this is a beautiful Jal Banarasi sari in gold weave. Stunning piece, soft sari in again a very dark navy blue color. And it's a brocade Banarasi, very rich for weddings and for occasion wear. Beautiful saris. Tailoring orders are also accepted in both our branches. Menswear collection is available only in the Cornfield Road branch. Jewelry section is also available in the Cornfield Road branch. This is number 6. The pallu has meena and the body has all over zari weaving, soft and lightweight. That was in gold jal weave, and here we have our silver jal weave. It's a very, very pretty sari with flying birds. Very unique silver zari, jal woven Banarasi. Very gorgeous piece, and the blouse piece also comes in black katan with the zari border. This is the weaving. Such a rich weave all over zari, but still it's lightweight. Jal katan in gold zari, and the color is a very, very dark tone of Rama color. Very dark tone. It's a dual tone, dark peacock bluish green. You can say this is the actual color. You can understand from this part, you know, this is the color. It's a beautiful color, short color. And the, okay, this I think just a minute, I just held it different. Yeah, this is the pallu part actually. Yes, this is the pallu part. And here is the blouse piece. See the pallu. The pallu is also beautiful. The body comes with all over meena. The meena is in red, brick red and rani color. Amazing sari in a stunning shade and very rich concept. Next comes this brocade jal Banarasi with meena patni concept. The uniqueness of the sari is the motifs are in resham and the body is in zari. Usually what happens, the motifs are zari. Here it is the opposite, and it's beautiful. The color is a dark garnet color, wine type color, beautiful, and especially the combination with again touch of brick red and magenta rani with garnet color blouse piece. Here is the jal weaving. Soft flowy fabric in a stunning border and all handloom. Nakshi woven intricate weaving border. I always say, be it the common fabrics, common weavings like baluchori you can say, or jamdani, whatever we display, you will always find uniqueness in the weaving pattern. Of course, you can see many Banarasis, but Banarasi के में हटके क्यों है संस्कृति का? क्योंकि इसका मोटिव्स, हम लोग मोटिव और पैटर्न में बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देता है, और कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. A lightweight katan silk sari with in narrow border, small buttas, heavy brocade blouse and a very rich pallu. These are very soft silk saris, fine silk saris, pure handloom with meena, and it's really beautiful. The blouse is full brocade weave. Color is also in lime color, very fresh, beautiful color, and usually, you know, you don't get to see too much of narrow zaris in traditional saris, always broad zari, but this sleek zari border is looking very pretty, and not only the border, the pallu and the blouse. Similarly, we have a fuchsia color. For booking, those who are new to our channel, you can take the screenshot and WhatsApp 76030 42696. We ship worldwide. Shipping charges depends on the weight and destination. First come, first serve basis. After payment, we will confirm your booking and courier the sari. If you want to pick it up from the showroom, we have already given you the address for pickup. Blouse piece, heavy weave, pallu with meena, border with meena, color lovely shade of pink. The pallu has the border has a touch of peach in this. So pink with peach, beautiful. Now I'll show a very stunning, fashionable sari where we have used pure Katan silk, double Katan, but no zari. The weaving has been done very unique way, very modern weaving in satin. The stripe part that you are seeing is in pure satin weave, and here is the pallu and the blouse piece. Amazing concept. We had done a photo shoot of this in few more colors. Now no of the colors, all sold out. So this white is fresh stock, and this is beautiful with a red blouse piece in Katan. Those who like good silk in a very modern, unique style. See, the pallu has zari weaving and the blouse will be in dark double Katan maroon color. It's a beautiful sari in white and black, mustard, dark maroon stripe. Beautiful sari, one piece. Two more beautiful Katan silks which is hanging here, the yellow and the red. This comes with again zari border, very pretty zari border and zari buta. Lovely Katan in mustard yellow color with rich red. Price of this beautiful sari is 15,900, heavy Katan silk sari with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Butas and the color and the combination is ideal for haldi ceremony. And then we have the other color combination, which is the red one. The red also comes with meena and it has a patni woven border along with the meena border. In red, price 15,900, and here is the blouse piece will be in red with the border. Sari is stunning shade of heavy quality Katan. Very beautiful with meena. 15,900, the red one. And now on high demand, we have the Pune silk saris, borderless and with big butas. So this is beautiful, a lovely color tone. And here is the pallu. The pallu is in rich gold zari and buta blouse piece. These saris can be worn throughout the year because these are very comfortable. Now what is Pune silk? It's pure silk, handloom, and it's a byproduct of Katan silk. So same yarn, but a little lighter weight, and nowadays we are making lovely designs and patterns in Pune silk. Pune silks are very much in demand now because we are making very modern patterns and modern weaves, modern designs in this lovely lightweight Katan, or you can say Pune silk. So color options in this borderless sari is this dark wine color, another stunning shade. Very pretty, and the buta is in gold and silver zari, comes with a buta blouse piece. See, look at the color combination, the butas. Very, as I said, you know, these are thoda hatke from the traditional butas that we make in Katan. So young girls love wearing these saris also. And you know, these saris for small occasions, small gatherings also, they really stand out. With a blouse piece, borderless. More from borderless Pune silk. This is in silver zari. Viridian green with silver zari, Pune silk handloom. And here is the blouse piece. You can check out our reels and short videos in Instagram page Sanskriti Kolkata, Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, as well as our stories, WhatsApp status for regular updates and new designs and patterns. We have maintained a goodwill for the past 30 years, being in the fashion industry in Kolkata. Menswear collection of traditional dhotis, kurtas, ready-made dhotis, jackets, all available in the Cornfield Road branch. This is another very beautiful sari, especially because of the red blouse and the red selvage border. Very beautiful silk. Corner buta. The blouse piece, as I said, is in red and it's beautiful. Black and red. You never go wrong with this combination. Color of the zari is stunning. Very beautiful small butas. It's beautiful, lovely, lovely piece. Pune silk borderless again, but this comes with a satin border. So those had the all the basic fabric. The base fabric was till the end. Now there's a twist. We have a same tone on tone satin fabric in the border. So this gives another look to the silk sari. Small butas. The buta will be in the border. We had done many photo shoots in this. I love this silk. I myself have more than, I think, 7 to 8 pieces of different colors in borderless Pune. I just love. I have figure motifs. I have floral motifs. I just love these silk. It's so comfortable, easy to carry, and especially when you are out for any shoots whole day, you have to wear heels. These are very easy to move around. So the blouse comes in stripes and the body comes in small butas. Border is in this bigger buta. Lovely. And now a contrast border in a similar concept. Satin silk border, buta, but contrast border. Blouse and pallu. Color black. Black is now the season for black, and I'll show you few options in black. Lovely Pune silk, shocking borders with the basic black body. The rich look of the blouse, the border, the buta, just standing out against the lovely, very modern buta black Pune silk. I just love this. Here is the buta close up for you. Look at this mehendi green with the black one. You can see an olive type green, beautiful, and it comes in silver zari. So all those who love silver zari, gold zari, you have many options today. My Black Beauty episode was very, very good one. So again, even though I did that recently, I'm showing few blacks because I know you too love these blacks. And many unique combinations, not the typical combinations. I'll show many unique combinations in black silk today. Parrot green with black. See, these are very out color. Very, these combinations are a bit very striking. Very modern combinations. Blouse piece. To go with the trend, you can try these unique shades. Another one with parrot green. I just love this combination. It's very different, and the buta pattern is also very different. As I said, these are has a modern twist to the traditional sari. Flowy fabric, and here is the blouse piece. Matching jewelry is available. If you want, you can do jewelry shopping by video call also. And the one that I'm wearing, a similar black with a rich green border again. This is the buta, border buta, all over buta. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse piece. Price of this beautiful Pune silk is 13,900. Any queries, please feel free to WhatsApp 7603042696. 13,900, this gorgeous Pune silk with satin woven border handloom sari. The jewelry set that I'm wearing, 3350, 3350. It comes with a small earring. It's out there in my first floor, the jewelry section. I forgot to bring it along with me. 3350 is the jewelry price, comes along with the small earring. If you want, we can share the pictures if you're interested. 3350. Sari price I've already told you, and the blouse that I'm wearing. It's a very modern cut blouse. It's in silk and it's in panel, and we are taking orders for this in colors black, red, white, red, black, white, all few common colors we are making, which is very much useful. Price 3990 is the blouse piece, ready-made blouse price. If you want, we can take the orders. Your size 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, and the price will little vary for sizes above 42. So you can connect with me 7603042696. It's a this labor charge of this stitching each in panel, and then we have a nice choli cut with this, and this will be the back side. So a very nice different kind of a fit and very unique pattern. 3990 for the blouse. We'll take orders for this. And here we have some more silk sarees for you. Number 22. Pune silk in deep green, borderless, with buta blouse piece, silver and gold zari. These sarees, you can wear it for corporate gatherings, occasions. Colors are beautiful. Even see, this blouse is going so well with this saree. Very pretty concept. Buta again, gold and silver zari. These are all Pune silks that I'm showing you, borderless Pune silk. This silver grey color, it has no tissue, only the zari butas is there. The color combination is a silver grey color, very fresh, beautiful, rich shade, and here is the pallu. 11,900, small butas, comes with this buta blouse piece. Again, another grand sari. Just flaunt your jewelry, pearl, silver, gold, anything goes well with these saris. They are just lovely. Look at the sari. Just stunning. And we have another color in this light, fresh, unique shade of pista. It's not even, light pista. Again with gold and silver zari, borderless, and blouse piece. So hope you are enjoying watching today's collection. Please do subscribe to our channel if you are happy with our service. Sanskriti Kolkata, and WhatsApp number already provided. Tailoring unit available in both our Baliganj branch. Number 24. Now moving on to some heavy weaving Katan silk brocade antique zari. Jal Katan in selvage bottle green border. So this is another stunning piece, one of our best sellers with blouse piece. Antique zari handloom, soft. Don't miss out any episode. Not necessarily you have to buy, but you can always appreciate our Indian textile and weaves from different states of our country. When I do an episode, suppose I'm showing 40 sarees, more than the number of pieces I've sold or taken orders for that video, I always check out how many viewers have watched the collection. That is very important, because our pages, all our pages are 100% organic. So that is why if the viewers are good, that means people are at least enjoying watching the collection, Sanskriti's collection. Look at this sari, it's in pure mushroom. Pure mushroom silk sari, satin mushroom in a dark wine color, beautiful color combination in gold and very ornated weave. Again, what I was saying, check out our weaving pattern. See, the sari is not that very broad border, but the border pattern is so beautiful, so artistic. You really, grab eyeballs. People will ask, and not only the border, look at the blouse. कौन बनाता है इतना माहिन, इतने ऐसे ब्लाउज? सब जाल बूटा ऐसा कर देता है, लेकिन हमारा यहाँ पे यही खूबिया कि we work with the best of कारीगर्स and they make sure that you get a unique blouse along with a unique sari in a unique color combination. Another color in this is this earthy tone. Mushrooms look lovely in these colors as well. With the weave in gold, this is another amazing piece. Very beautiful, the shade. In fact, this is very royal, very classy looking color combination. कुछ साड़ीज बहुत रेयर होता है, ये एक रेयर मशरू साड़ी में होगा. ये बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है, इसलिए इसमें कोई बूटा भी नहीं डाला, क्योंकि इसका बॉर्डर ही इतना सुंदर, इतना आर्टिस्टिक बॉर्डर है, कोई बूटा का जरूरत ही नहीं है. और हेवी ब्लाउज. अब एक अनदर बहुत सुंदर ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी इन कतान सिल्क, प्योर कतान. एक साड़ी में ये डबल कतान, इसमें एक सैटिन वीविंग है, एक बहुत सुंदर कतान सैटिन है, फिर इसके साथ ये सैटिन है, सॉलिड सैटिन, एंड देन द नक्शी वीविंग. सो दिस इज अनदर very stunning, gorgeous piece. Just wow. Just superb piece. Beautiful sari. Too fashionable, too fashionable. I'll show it in details. It's the blouse piece. Just too good. Lastly, our showstopper, heavy katan, double katan. Okay, we have another piece. Other than this, this is a since wedding season is here, a red border traditional sari with a stunning master weave sari with a stunning pallu. Karua weave, just amazing color combination. Look at the small Meena bootas throughout the sari and the jal boota in the blouse. The jal weave is beautiful, going so well. It's just the broader boota, bigger boota of the middle bootas. Look at the pallu, the paisley. It is a baluchori inspired paisley. Usually you see these bootas in revival baluchori. And look at the lines that is going. It has a touch of green Meena in that. Ideal for the bride, for the mother-in-law, for a mother, a collection for any wedding trousseau. Anybody can wear this. This is just beautiful. Once again, the details in the pallu and blouse. Yes, actually all the sarees today are so unique. कौन छोड़ के किसको हम शो स्टॉपर बोले. हर टेस्ट के लिए हम कुछ मीडियम से थोड़ा हेवी रेंज सभी टाइप का दिखाया मैंने. सब हैंडलूम साड़ी है और सब प्योर साड़ी है. This color combination with all over zari weaving. This is another classy brocade, pure Katan Banarasi. Blouse will be in purple with border, and here is the sari. Just beautiful. Hope you enjoyed watching today's collection of Banarasi sarees. Thank you so much.